Look inside this 1,000-degree furnace. The gold glows like molten lava. Soon, machines will shape it with precision, pressed, then transformed into pure value. Today, we are going inside one of South Korea's most precise gold factories, the Korea Gold Exchange. This is a rare look at how 99.999% pure gold is processed from raw metal into something highly valuable. It all starts here. Heat, timing, and structure matter. This is 99.999% pure gold. It melts at 1,064 degrees Celsius. Then it is poured into a hot graphite mold. Now watch it hit the water. This is more than a dramatic shot. Rapid cooling helps the gold solidify in a controlled way. At a microscopic level, it creates a finer grain structure that prepares the metal for heavy processing. Watch closely. The rolling mill applies massive pressure. This classic process is called cold rolling. With every pass, the gold's internal structure changes. The block gets thinner and also harder. If pressure is poorly controlled, the sheet can crack. Once the sheet is thin enough, a hydraulic press takes over. These weights, 1.875 and 8.75 grams, are not random. They reflect real demand. In South Korea's gold market, here, gold is admired for its shine, but also used to store value. One Korean gold unit is 3.75 grams. This 1.875 gram bar is exactly half of that. As gold prices rise, traditional gold rings now cost more. So these smaller bars have become popular gifts with real meaning and value. Every finished bar must pass surface inspection. Even small marks can send it back for rework. Approved pieces are sealed with an anti-counterfeit warranty card inside a layered polymer package. If the seal is damaged, certification may be void. Gold bars represent financial value. The next stage turns that value into decoration. Now we move into production of a symbol of wealth and good fortune. A feng shui design, a pure goldfish. Freshly cut gold pieces can have sharp edges. To fix that, the factory uses vibratory polishing. The cut gold pieces are placed in a tray filled with tiny steel pins. A high-frequency motor shakes the tray. The steel pins tap gently across the gold surface. They remove burrs and rough edges. Material loss stays very low, while sharp cut edges become smooth. Gold's natural softness helps create a refined satin finish. Next, a craftsman engraves the surface, adding scales. Then, a torch secures each joint. The finished piece moves with the air, bringing the goldfish to life in a high-end jewelry factory. Even tiny gold dust is captured by a dust system and recovered here. No valuable material is wasted. One of the hardest steps is wire drawing. A thick piece of gold is pulled through smaller diamond dies to avoid breaks between drawing stages. A 670-degree furnace. Heat restores its workability. The stress structure relaxes. An internal stress is released. Soft again, step by step. It becomes thinner than human hair. Then it is washed into clean gold thread at the end of the line. Skilled craftspeople finish the work with patience. They wrap delicate 24K gold thread around the metal frame. The simple gold surface begins to catch light with a soft, silk-like shimmer. From molten gold to microscopic surface control, this process demands precision. It turns gold into financial products and symbols into meaningful objects. This is more than machinery and material science. It shows our lasting fascination with this rare yellow metal, valued for millennia. Thanks for watching. Next time, we will explore how the world is made.